Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this absolutely gorgeous, perfect wig from Ayiyi. It's an interesting name. Let's jump into all the details about this unit. I have this 13x4 24-inch wig from Ayiyi hair. It's kind of like a tongue twister. Ayiyi. Interesting name to say the least. This wig is beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have a transparent lace and it's a 13x4. It was so wide, it fit like a 13x6. I think my eyelashes are falling off. I need to get it together. You got me in my feelings. looking. Pinot Grigio. I have a 13x4 transparent lace front wig, and I definitely think that it is definitely transparent. This wig is also virgin hair, and it's raw virgin hair, so it is definitely up there with quality. It says on their website that it can last over a year, you guys, and I definitely believe that. From what I'm seeing and what I'm feeling, is some good hair. Have 180 density, and the 180 density is what I wish all of my straight hair wigs to be. This is perfect, you guys. Like, I know you guys can see how full it is, and like where it's full is in the nape area, but it's also full like to the tip, you guys. It's definitely like some like high quality 10A hair. What I really love about this hair is the softness. When I took the wig out of the package, I was so impressed right away. I felt like, wow, this is like some really good hair. This hair is absolutely beautiful. This wig is so soft, so full, and it's so long. Okay, this is 24 inches, you guys. This is not 24 inches. This is at least 26 inches, borderline 28 inches. It's going down well past my hips, as you guys can see. It's booty length. And I'm 5'9", you guys. So I don't know if somebody made a mistake in the processing department or if this is actually a 26 inch. I will double check and confirm, and whatever length it is, I'll put it here on the screen. But it is so long, so full, like I don't even know like how I got this lucky. This is my favorite straight wig I've come across like in the longest time. This wig that I've received is top quality hair, and I know that it's gonna last a really long time. It's kind of deceiving because when you're washing the hair, it does tend to like mat up a bit. Not a bit, a lot. It tends to mat up a lot when you're washing it. But as soon as you brush it through and then you let it dry with the blow dryer, like it was literally like you could have worn it just like that. And there's very few wigs that I've come across where I can just wear it just being blown out with a blow dryer. And I think that alone is very impressive to me. The lace on this wig is absolutely flawless. It is definitely transparent. I don't even know if you guys can even see it on the camera. Not even Friday. I'm getting a buzz. By the way, that wine is really good. Definitely recommend. It does come pre-plucked, but I did do some plucking of my own, and it was just pretty minor. It did look pretty flawless as I installed it, and I just used hairspray to install it, and I used the Chi hairspray, and as you guys can see, like Chi is not going anywhere. That hairspray is actually bomb for installing wigs. I've noticed that it doesn't leave like a white cast, which I love. The Got To Be freeze spray tends to leave like a white cast. You guys are wondering, it's just the Chi helmet head. If you guys can find that, get a hold of it, definitely recommend. I did bleach the knots on my unit, as you guys can see. Raw cuticle intact virgin hair, you guys, and this wig is going for $262 US. I'm gonna put the Canadian conversion right here for you guys, but that's a steal of a deal. If you're wondering, is this wig Kaviar Kez approved? It is 110% Kaviar Kez approved. Oh my god, this chair has been in my view this entire time. Y'all gonna have to just not mind the chair. You definitely need to tell everybody you know to get one. My hands is running right through it so nicely, and I've been flipping this hair like crazy, you guys. And as you guys can see, like I've been combing it, I've been moving it, and it's still going back in place. Like it's so bouncy. It's super like, it's dense hair. Like it's not like that Brazilian, like super lightweight Brazilian texture. It is like on the heavier side, and that's what I love in my straight hair. When you move, it's gonna go right back into place. Like you can move it a lot, you can shake it a lot. Like look at it, like we can do the most to this wig, like literally the most, and just put it back. Do you see what I mean? Like, you know what I'm talking about. When you have crappy hair, you cannot do all of that, because when you do that, the hair is gonna be like staying right there. This wig is not doing that, you guys. You need to get it. I'm so impressed. Shout out to Ayiyi hair, because they did their damn thing with this unit, you guys. You guys should definitely check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys if you want to purchase it. I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't at this point. Like, this is some bomb.com hair. This is gonna be my go-to straight hair. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up and leave some comments. It really does go a long way. And I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.